Welcome to my channel. Ever wondered who really powers your electric car? You might say Tesla, BYD, or maybe Ford. But here's the truth. Most EV makers don't make their own batteries. Instead, the real power lies in the hands of a few global giants you've probably never even heard of. Today, we're breaking down who actually makes your EV batteries, where the world's massive gigafactories are, and how countries are competing in this multi-trillion-dollar energy race. Let's plug in and find out who controls the EV revolution. When you buy an EV, you might think you're buying a Tesla. But the battery inside? It might actually come from CATL in China, LG Energy Solution in South Korea, or Panasonic in Japan. Let's visualize this. As of 2025, over 70% of the world's EV batteries are made by just 5 companies. CATL, the world's biggest, holding nearly 35% of global capacity. They supply Tesla, BMW, NIO, and even Ford. BYD, China, again famous for their Blade battery, a game-changer in safety and cost. LG Energy Solution, South Korea, powering brands like GM, Hyundai, and Lucid. Panasonic, Japan, Tesla's longtime partner, producing the high-density cells in Model S and Model 3. SK On and Samsung SDI. It's smaller but fast-growing global suppliers. So, while your car may wear an American, German, or Japanese badge, the heart of it, the battery, probably beats Chinese or Korean. Let's take a look at the global battery map. Imagine this. For every 10 gigawatt-hours of battery production in the world, 6 come from China. China isn't just leading, it's dominating. They have over 150 gigafactories in operation or under construction. That's more than the rest of the world combined. Europe comes next, with projects like Northvolt in Sweden and ACC in France trying to catch up. The US? It's accelerating fast with Tesla's gigafactories, GM's Ultium plants, and Ford SK partnerships, but still years behind China's scale. This map isn't just about factories, it's about control of supply chains. Because China also refines 90% of lithium, 70% of cobalt, and nearly all graphite, the core materials for batteries. So the question isn't just who builds the batteries, it's who owns the materials that make them possible. Not all batteries are created equal. NMC, nickel manganese cobalt, delivers high energy and long range, used by Tesla and BMW. LFP, lithium iron phosphate, cheaper, safer, and increasingly popular. This chemistry is dominating China and rapidly spreading worldwide. And the next big leap? Solid-state batteries, no liquid electrolyte, higher density, faster charging. Toyota, QuantumScape, and Samsung are racing to make them real. Whoever commercializes solid-state first could completely reshape the global battery hierarchy, possibly dethroning CATL. By 2030, global battery production is expected to reach over 8,000 gigawatt-hours per year, enough to power 100 million EVs annually. New players are rising: Northvolt in Europe, Redwood Materials in the US, Reliance New Energy in India, all aiming to localize battery supply. But as it stands, the race isn't over, and China still holds the steering wheel. So next time you plug in your EV, ask yourself, who really made this battery? Because behind every electric car, there's a silent power struggle for the future of energy. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our electric future.